What's up, perras? Good morning. Good morning, perras. What's up, girls? Good morning. Now say hi. There you go. What's up, Puff? What about you? Huh? Yeah. Look at it. Check them out. Say hi. Here we have Madame de Alox. We'll see what happens. Yeah, Puff. Yeah. Bella, calm down. Calm down. I'm gonna put you up on the internet for sale, Bella. $20. Who wants this dog? $20. Her eyebrows are well kept. Look at them eyebrows. Yeah. All right. You ready? Oh, Puff. Your eyebrows are on point too, Puff. Okay, let's turn this shit off. Okay, let's go. Where's my glasses? You guys are not coming.
I'm driving, you're driving.
You're driving.
Aye.
On our way out. All right. So where's this cat at, dude?
He's in Long Beach.
Oh shit. God damn it. So we're about to make this left turn, and guess what? I forgot my fucking phone, so I can't play Pokemon.
Yeah, that was the point of this trip.
Well, the point of the trip for you was to get the cat.
I agreed to get the cat so we could go and get the cat, and then maybe we could catch a meowth. You wanna go back?
Back home. Right, headed back home now. Pick up my fucking phone. Yeah, Puff, you took pretty high. Okay, now, where the fuck did I leave my phone at? It's not in the restroom. It's not over here. Over there. Thought I had put it to charge. Where is it? It's in my fucking office space. No shit, huh? No shit, huh? Let's go. Okay, finally. I know where to get this cat. Goodbye. Bye, perras. Bye. So we're on Kraken. Look at him, he's hauling ass. We're gonna go pick up one cat there. We're gonna go pick up one cat. Not two, not three. One cat.
But you said, okay, even if I get two, I can just find the other one at home. I just want to have it for like a day or two. And then we'll just get it at home.
Look, I think we're just gonna pick up one cat. Honestly, I don't know. I'm not feeling two cats. I'm not feeling that much poop and that much pee in my house. But again, we're getting this on video. All right, so we're a couple of streets there. You excited for your new cat?
Yes.
Did you get to see the pictures they sent you, or are you gonna wait until you get there?
Meet them. Oh my god. Okay, so for sure the boy.
This is it. So you got your way at the end there.
It's okay.
It's still very small.
It's okay. I mean, they're too small to be away from the mommy, but I think she can't keep them.
Look at these cats.
I am a brat.
So at the end of the day,
we compromised.
look at them. You have been adopted.
Officially.
officially been adopted. Huh? Blue eyes?
Still, they're really baby still.
Alright, so we're playing Pokemon now. These cats are helping me.
Hope for a meowth.
We're hoping for meowths. That'll be a cool thing to catch. Catch 2 live cats, catch 1 more cat, and guess what? I need 1 more meowth to evolve them. So. So what we predicted is real. 2 cats, meowth. 2 cats, a meowth. Okay, now I'm gonna catch it before I fuck this up, right? I'm gonna put the camera down. Let's see, did we get it? Did we get it? What do you think? Oh, we got it! We got it! We got it! We got 3 cats today. We got 3 cats today. What's up? What is up? Wow, today is a good cat day today, guys. What's today, August what? August 26th. I guess it's cat day. We're gonna get some Burger King. I'm gonna stop by the post office, see what we got there. Here you go. All right, got back from the post office. Did get some mail. Pokestop. The Pokestop here at the post office. Not appearing. There it is. All right. 2 Pokeballs. Getting home with the BK. BK. Alright. See what this crazy girl's doing. On the phone. Go ahead and evolve some Pokemon. Alright. He's not the strongest Meowth in the world. Basil's gonna be shitty. Overall, your Meowth is above average, but you're getting involved because I need to fill up my Pokédex. And there it is, Persia. Right, that's her name?
She'll fuck
690.
up.
I think that's all I could evolve. Alright. So we got done working for today. Delivered all the mail. The kittens are still napping, chilling, relaxing. We got them some beers over here so we could have a little welcoming home party for them. It's a Good Friday. A lot of things got done. What do you think, Bella? What do you think, Puff? Okay, guys. Well, we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but I'm already gonna start drinking, and I doubt that I'm gonna come back later to finish this video. So come and say goodbye, Dea. Say bye, girls. Say goodbye, Puff. All right, enjoy a beer, guys. Have an awesome day.